Hey everyone, Shada here. So today I'm going to share share how to schedule a post on various platforms without spending anything like any money. So for Twitter, you can easily do it from your Canva account. I am not saying you to use premium account in order to schedule post on Twitter. You can do it for free also. So once you'll go for this top corner, you can see this like top side arrow, right? You need to click here, then you can see all these options. You just need to swipe this and you can see everything. Instagram, if you want to, then for Instagram and Facebook, I would suggest you to schedule it from Meta Business. And for LinkedIn, you can do it from LinkedIn itself. I'll tell you how. For Twitter, I would suggest you to do it from Canva. So what you need to do, you need to connect Twitter. So my main account is from like connected from another phone, so I don't want to connect this account for Twitter, so I'm not doing it. Okay. Because I have different like Canva accounts, so I don't want to connect this fixed account with this account. So yeah, just sharing this. So you just need to connect your Twitter account with your Canva account, and then you can, once you'll complete the post, then you can go to Twitter. And then once you need to select the date and caption, make sure that you can only write 280 character, like up to 280 character on Twitter. So take care of your caption part, because we used to write long captions for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, but take care of that character part on like 280 character part on Twitter. And make sure if it is a business account or business post, then don't miss to add CTA, that is call to action. Even you can remove above part, or that is we used to write a lot of lines, then like quotes and everything. So you can remove that, but you can put just CTA part of your business or whatever products you are going to promote. Okay, so that is something about Twitter. So let's go to what let's go to LinkedIn. Okay, let's go to LinkedIn. From there, if I'm going to this post part, so just click there. Here you can see in the top part, you can see one clock button just next to post. So click here, just select the date, select the time, go for next, and then you can schedule it. As I have not written anything, so it is not showing anything. Okay, so we have done with LinkedIn and Twitter. So for Facebook, you know that there is a Meta Business provision, so Meta Business suite, so you can do it from Meta Business. Okay, you just need to go for Meta Business, and from there you can just go to planner. You can see this planner. Okay, and from there you can see everything like date and everything. So from here, just go to this create post, and then you can see it here, add photo or add video, whatever you want to add. And then this is text part, and then you can see it here, set date and time. एंड एकदम नीचे साइड होगा इसमें पोस्ट का ऑप्शन, एकदम नीचे साइड होगा ये, यू कैन सी इट राइट हेयर. वंस इट दीज ऑल थिंग्स विल बी डन, you can get this publish or say schedule button active. Okay, let me type something. Okay, let me type something. Okay, let's set date and time. Okay, now you can see it. Now you can see schedule for Facebook, just downside of. Okay, so you can do it for Facebook too. Okay, so yeah, if your Facebook account is connected to Instagram, so you can see it here. Both of my accounts, Facebook and LinkedIn, are connected. So if I will be scheduling it here, so it will be automatically posting to Instagram also. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about this. So we are done with LinkedIn, Twitter. And for threads, I don't think I forgot to share. So okay, for threads, what you can do is you just need to click on this arrow share button, then you can see threads. You just need to click on threads, it will be automatically coming here on your threads account. Then you need to click on this post button and it will be done. Okay, so we are done with threads, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. And if you write blogs on your WordPress website, then you can see WordPress also have that scheduling option, so you can do it for WordPress too. Okay, so yeah, okay, just wanted to talk about this. You can explore it, you can do it, and instead of doing this like mundane task on a daily basis, you can do it on like once a week and schedule it for like weekly basis. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.